An unconventional way that I've discovered to use the EC3 Laundry Additive is to help maintain our toilet tanks and keep them mold-free. So the first thing that I do is I go into our bathroom with my EC3 Laundry Additive and I take the cover off the back of the tank. Then I give it a little flush to drain some of the water from the tank. Once that's done, I take my bottle of EC3 Laundry Additive, and I like to use about half of the 32-ounce bottle to do this, and I do it about once a month in all of our toilets. So I pour about half of the bottle in, and once I'm done with that, I close up the back of the tank, and I give our toilet a little flush to let it suds a little bit. It smells really nice of the tea tree when you're all done.